Well, I decided to stay in Asheville and sleep in my truck. A lot of people have been asking me where I was gonna go. So, can I give you an idea? Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm in the back seat. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning. I slept pretty good. Yeah, I wake up a couple of times. This is my second time waking up. I feel pretty rested. My back's not hurting or anything. So I'm still in the back seat. I've got the windows covered. Not this one. This one's not covered. And so here I am with the English. These are employees' cars because they're here. They were here the other day. And there we go. There's the gas station. So I can go and get gas anytime I need to. I can use the bathroom here before they close for the night. Oh, see, window covered. That's pretty cool. But I'm really not getting a lot of light, am I? That's crazy. And see, there's no activity. A lot of people were worried that this wasn't safe. But there's nobody. I've never seen anyone walking. I've not seen anyone walking the whole night. I'd have to really be targeted. Someone would have to know I was in here. And I don't think Weaverville is a high crime area. That's why I don't want to be in Asheville. I'll come to Weaverville. It's a lot safer. That's pretty cool. And there's a McDonald's down there, so I can go get coffee when I wake up. And then I can go back to Dad's house and take a shower if I need to. Alrighty. Let's see. I guess it's everything. I can turn the light on and chill. I got the window cracked. No one's noticed me. I don't think anyone knows I'm here. See, nobody. They don't ever come out. I'm not seeing a single person come outside. I've been asleep, but still. I wish I could run the truck. I wish I could keep it on, keep the air on, or the heat, but it's not been cold tonight. I could almost run the air right now. Usually by this time of night it's cold, so you can tell we're in summer now. There's an IHOP over there. It's hard to pick up anything. Can you see it? Look at that. There's an IHOP. Man, this window's really... Oh, I forgot about that. How do I open it? I've never opened this window. I did one time I opened this window. What the heck? I don't want to break it. I bet you can you only open it when the truck's running? What am I doing wrong? I don't want to break it. God dang it, it's not moving at all. What the heck? I bet the truck has to be on. That's crazy. Alrighty. There's a car. Oh, and there's a car over there. When I turned my light on. He wasn't there a minute ago. God, I hope that's not a cop. I just gave away my position.